Homey 588 is a two-part epoxy adhesive for gap filling and decoration on tile, wall and floor. Easy apply, not turning black. Perfect filling, glory color. First, cut the tip of the nozzle to the size you need. Next, cut the mouth of the tube. Then screw the nozzle on tightly to keep it secure. Finally, load the adhesive into your caulking gun. Beautiful appearance, odorless and no pollution. Good flexibility, no deforming. Used for gap filling and decoration on tile, marble, stone, wall and floor. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use in kitchens, bathrooms and pools. LT has good hardness and is waterproof, stain-proof and very easy to clean.